Hey guys, welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we're going to be doing a quick review. We got a new 2023 Hot Wheels vehicle. We have the Ford Bronco R, new in the mainline. So, yeah, this is kind of a mean ride. Look at this thing. Ford Bronco R, originally released in premium releases, now the first time in the Hot Wheels mainline. This is number 225 of 250. For the year of 2023. This is HW Hot Trucks 8 of 10. And look at the Borla livery on this thing. Very nice. And let's take a look at the back of the card. I grabbed this at a Walmart, I believe. It's from the P case. And HW Hot Trucks, 4x4s and trucks, ready to work or race. And a 2021 copyright on the packaging. That's because they haven't really changed the packaging since 2022. So, there we go. And let's crack this beautiful Bronco and see what we got here. So let's rip it right off the card there. Always nice. Check that out. This is a beautiful new Bronco. Another Bronco casting. And this is sweet gloss black color on this one. Look at that grill right there. That is a beautiful grill. Bronco right on it, and there we go. 78 with a tack on it. Borla, Toyo tires. I see that right there. I have it in the wrong camera mode. I just realized, so I can't really zoom in. Check the back out there. No bumper. Well, I guess you could call that a bumper. It's like a custom tailgate. And there is the spare tire right there. Very cool new Bronco. See if we can see the interior. And this has a gray plastic base. You can tell that it was a premium release. You can tell by the special toy number there. Looks different than a mainline toy number. You could just tell from the base it used to be a premium release, and then they just changed it to a plastic base. That driving is on the American side. Borla right in the roof there. There you go. There's a nice look. And a beautiful new Hot Wheels casting in the mainline. This Borla number 78, red and black. Ford Bronco R. And in real life, I think this is an actual vehicle, and I'm not sure what the model year started for this. Anyways, very cool Hot Wheels vehicle to add to the collection. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully I can get some more videos out for you guys. It's been a long drought. See you in the next one. Goodbye.